creating a Bohemian bedroom inspiration and ideas. The Bohemian style is all about freedom, creativity, and personal expression. It's a style that blends various cultures, colors, and textures to create a space that feels eclectic, relaxed, and truly unique. If you're looking to transform your bedroom into a boho haven, here's a guide to help you get started. Blank. Embrace eclectic patterns and textures. The heart of Bohemian decor lies in its diverse mix of patterns and textures. Start by layering your bed with a variety of throw blankets, cushions, and rugs. Mix and match different fabrics like cotton, linen, and wool. And don't shy away from vibrant prints like tribal, floral, or geometric designs. The key is to create a cozy, lived-in feel with a blend of different elements. Tip: vintage and handmade textiles add authenticity to the boho vibe. Look for unique pieces in thrift stores or online marketplaces like Etsy. Choose a warm and earthy color palette. Bohemian decor typically features a warm, earthy color palette that reflects nature. Think terracotta, deep greens, rich browns, and mustard yellows. These colors can be incorporated through wall paint, bedding, and accessories. If you prefer a lighter, more neutral look, opt for whites and creams as your base, and add pops of color through accent pieces. Tip: incorporate metallics like gold or copper in small doses for a touch of glamour. Add lots of greenery. Plants are a must in a Bohemian bedroom. Not only do they bring life and freshness to the space, but they also add texture and color. Opt for a mix of tall plants like fiddle leaf figs or monstera, and smaller varieties like succulents or hanging plants. Use woven baskets, macrame hangers, or ceramic pots to enhance the boho aesthetic. Tip: group plants together to create a mini indoor jungle.